In the night sky, 7 stars shine brightly, each embodying a great sage absorbed in profound meditation. And thus, a story unfolds. A young boy approached one of the sages, his familiarity evident as he tenderly embraced the sage's tranquil form. Yet, the sage remained immersed in meditation with his eyes closed. With innocence echoing in his voice, the child addressed the sage. "I'm going. You too have to go down with me to this earth." This was the great saint Sri Ramakrishna's vision. He recognized the sage as Vivekananda and the divine child as himself. From time to time, great souls are born in this world. Vivekananda, a luminous soul incarnate, was thus born. Bhuvaneshwari Devi, the mother of Swami Vivekananda, would earnestly beseech Lord Shiva for a son. At long last, her plea was met with a response from Lord Shiva himself. On 12th of January 1863, a son was born to Bhuvaneshwari Devi and her husband Vishwanath Datta, an affluent advocate. Their joy knew no bounds. Bhuvaneshwari Devi held the belief that her newborn was a sacred gift from Lord Shiva himself, leading them to name their boy Naren. Naren's childhood was marked by his spirited mischievousness. When his temper flared, neither his mother nor his sister could rein him in. Objects within his grasp were at risk, as he'd shatter anything in sight. On one occasion, consumed by anger, he cast all pillows and blankets off his bed. His determination was unwavering. None could compel him against his resolve. In moments where all else faltered, his mother resorted to dousing his head with cold water, invoking the name of Shiva, an action that promptly restored his tranquility.